Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by opening PowerShell as administrator. This gives you the permissions needed to repair system app registrations. Once done, you'll run a single re-registration command that reinstalls start menu packages for all users, which fixes corrupted manifests. Make sure you save open work because some interfaces may refresh. The command walks through each app package and rebuilds its registration. That's why it often restores start functionality without more invasive steps. Now type the command and press enter to begin. You will execute the re-registration command first. It iterates through AppX packages and registers them again. Once that finishes, run sfc/scano to scan and repair protected system files, because missing files can stop start from working. After SFC, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch and repair component store corruption from Windows update sources. These steps complement each other. PowerShell fixes app registrations, SFC checks file integrity, and dism repairs the underlying image if needed. You're almost done. Restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or perform a full reboot to load the repaired start components. If the start menu still misbehaves, create a new administrator account to confirm whether the issue is user profile specific. This isolates profile corruption. Make sure to try System Restore to a known working point if available, or reinstall affected Microsoft Store apps. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test a new admin account before drastic measures. It often reveals whether the problem is global or limited to your user profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.